Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important foundations of personal finance, building an emergency fund. Let's face it, life is unpredictable. Whether it's a sudden car repair, medical bill, or job loss, having a financial cushion can save you from a lot of stress. In this video, I'm breaking it down into 6 easy, actionable steps that anyone can follow, no matter where you're starting from. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started on securing your financial future. Step 1. Understand why you need it. The first step is understanding why you need an emergency fund. Emergencies don't come with a warning, and relying on credit cards or loans can lead to even more stress. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This isn't about planning for luxury. This is your safety net for essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities in case something unexpected happens. Step 2. Set a realistic goal. If saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses feels overwhelming, start small. For example, aim to save $500 or $1,000 as your initial goal. This is your starter fund, something to cover small emergencies like a car repair or medical copay. Break your goal into manageable chunks. Instead of thinking, I need to save $5,000, focus on saving $50 per week or $200 per month. Small steps add up. Step 3. Track your spending. You can't save money if you don't know where it's going. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to categorize your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's fewer takeout meals, canceling unused subscriptions, or switching to generic brands. Every dollar you save here can go straight into your emergency fund. Step 4. Step 4 is my favorite. Automate your savings. Once you've set your goal and trimmed your expenses, make saving effortless. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a high-yield savings account specifically for your emergency fund. Even $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 in a year without you even noticing. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and keeps you consistent. Step 5. Find extra income sources. If your current budget doesn't have much wiggle room, consider finding a side hustle or selling items you no longer need. Platforms like Uber, Fiverr, or Etsy can help you earn extra cash. Or, have a weekend decluttering session, and sell things on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Every little bit goes a long way toward reaching your emergency fund goal faster. Step 6. Protect your fund. Finally, Step 6. Protect your emergency fund. This money is for emergencies only. It's tempting to dip into it for non-essentials, but remember why you started saving in the first place. Keep it separate from your everyday accounts. A high-yield savings account, or money market account, is a great option. And here's a pro tip. Name the account something like emergency fund to remind yourself of its purpose. And that's it. 6 simple steps to build your emergency fund. Remember, it's not about how much you save today, but about building the habit of saving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips, saving hacks, and money management advice. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below, and let me know. What's your emergency fund goal? Let's inspire each other to stay on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.